some chocolate chip cookies, and I started off by writing down the recipe. First we need 125 grams of butter, then 100 grams of brown sugar, then 100 grams of sugar, then 1 egg, then 225 grams of flour, and milk chocolate and white chocolate. Mixing it in, we're ready to add the egg. Cracking the egg and mixing the egg in. Stirring in the flour. Mixing in all the flour so you can't see it. Smack it on the table really hard so it breaks into little pieces. Little squares, chip them in and then mix it in. I put the baking paper on the tray and now I'm using a scoop to do the cookies. Together because we put them too close on the tray. Next time we'll space them apart. Smell delicious. Taking them off the tray and putting them onto the rack. Chocolate chip cookies.